Jeff Quest on board the Hardy Seawing 350. Currently looking at the helm.
305.
Sorry?
You said 350.
Seawing 305, correction.
305.
Moving down into the saloon and galley area. The photo goes to show you without some of the clutter. Moving round to the heads. Very clean boat this. And to the next, which is the stern cabin with a full-length wardrobe. The wood, which I believe is cherry wood, on this boat is in excellent condition, as are the headlinings. Moving around to the galley. Once again, excellent condition of the woodwork. Down to the oven. Interestingly, this boat has 2 fridges. If you're interested in seeing any more of this boat and you wish to come and view it, please contact boatshednorfolk.com, and thanks for watching.